Alright, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video I want to talk about the pick tool. It's a snap pick gun deal. It's really nice. I've never actually got a chance to play with one of these. This is my first time. I really like it so far. What I got here are two quick set locks. We got a deadbolt and a bottom doorknob lock. And I ain't no pro at this, but I'm going to give it a shot for you guys. Both of these are locked. And sticking the tension tool there. Like I said, I ain't no pro, but I can see the potential with this. So far I've opened lots and lots of paddle locks and lots of deadbolts. As you can see how easy this is. Look at that. That's the snap tool, snap pick. I got this from lockpicktools.com. They had it out to me right away. Real nice tool. Comes with a double-sided tension wrench. I advise it. Goes nice in any hobbyist box.
Não esqueçam de deixar o like e para você que ainda não é inscrito no canal, se inscreva e ative o sininho para receber as notificações. Tem vídeos novos todas as semanas. Não esqueça de compartilhar nas suas redes sociais. Um forte abraço e até o próximo vídeo.